Is building your nest egg limited by your passport? Exploring Betterment eligibility. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question many of you have been asking: is investing with Betterment only for U.S. citizens? Let's face it, building a secure financial future is a universal goal. But for those of us who aren't U.S. citizens, navigating the world of investing can feel like trying to decipher a secret code. Different countries have different regulations, tax implications, and account types. It's enough to make your head spin. So, can Betterment be the key to unlocking your investment dreams, regardless of your passport? Let's unpack the eligibility criteria and explore some alternative options if Betterment isn't the perfect fit. First things first, transparency is key. Betterment is currently only available to U.S. citizens and permanent residents. This means you'll need a Social Security number or a valid individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, to open an account. But hold on, don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. There are a few reasons behind this limitation. One major factor is regulation. Betterment is a robo-advisor, which means it uses automated algorithms to manage your investments. These algorithms are built within the framework of U.S. financial regulations. Expanding to other countries with different legal and tax structures would require significant adjustments and compliance efforts. Security also plays a crucial role. Betterment takes data security extremely seriously, and ensuring the safety of your financial information across international borders adds another layer of complexity. Finally, let's be honest, the U.S. investment landscape is vast and complex enough on its own. Betterment focuses on providing a user-friendly experience for U.S. investors. Diverting resources to cater to international markets might dilute the quality of service they offer to their existing customer base. So, what are your options if you're an expat or non-resident looking to invest with Betterment? Here are a few paths to consider. Consider alternative robo-advisors. The good news is, Betterment isn't the only robo-advisor out there. Several international platforms offer similar automated investment services. Do your research, compare fees, and find a platform that caters to your specific needs and residency status. Some popular options include Stashaway, Asia, Nutmeg, UK, and Scalable Capital, Germany. Explore traditional brokerages. While not quite as automated as robo-advisors, traditional brokerages offer more flexibility in managing your investments. You'll have greater control over your portfolio, but will also need to dedicate more time and effort to research and trading. Popular international brokerages include Interactive Brokers and Charles Schwab. Connect with a local financial advisor. A local financial advisor can provide personalized investment advice tailored to your specific financial goals and residency status. This can be a great option if you're looking for a more hands-on approach to managing your money. Keep in mind that advisor fees can vary, so do your due diligence before committing. Remember, choosing the right investment platform depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Don't be afraid to explore different options and seek professional advice if needed. The final takeaway. While Betterment isn't currently open to everyone, there are a wealth of alternative investment opportunities available to non-U.S. residents. Do your research, understand your options, and don't let your passport limit your journey to financial security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.